Hey everyone, Gurky the Gotcha Grinder here, bringing you my very first video on how to make your own game with no coding. Now, there's a lot of stuff you can do with this, and we're going to go through and we're going to start slow. This will be a multiple part series, and we're going to experiment along the way. So I'm a gotcha gamer. I play mobile games, PC games, etc. And I've always wanted to create my own game, and I do have a little bit of background in HTML, PHP, CSS, etc. And I've just been out of this game for such a long time that I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to get back into it. And honestly, programming has never been all that appealing to me. But I was messing around with Gemini, and I found out that Gemini will code for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here and put I would like to create an idle RPG game. Okay? We're going to do some basic stuff here. You guys can tweak this and mess around with it, but I want to showcase this because this is probably one of the most technologically advanced things that I've seen so far. All right? In this game, I would like to create my own character. Option for male or female, and character name. I would like a class system as well. I would like the starting classes to be the following: novice, adept, trainee, thief. We're just starting basic. You can change it whatever you want to, right? So we're going to go, and this is going to code it for us. We're going to let it sit here and compile real quick. Then we're gonna go through some more stuff. Like I'm telling you, this is fucking awesome. Okay. Look, create your hero, Gurky. I would like to be a male, and I want to be a thief. Create character. There you go. Male, level 1, 0 experience, 0 gold. Welcome, Gurky the Thief. Your adventure begins now. And then it starts you off with some basic stuff. You venture into the darkness, you defeat a monster and gain 21 XP and 11 gold. And it's going to go through. And this is all basic. Congratulations, you have leveled up to level 2. And it's going to keep on going and going and going. Alright? How do I stop this? Alright, still going in the background. Alright. So let's take a look at this again, alright? It's all basic stuff. So we're going to do this. On the right side of the game, I would like a section for tabs. For the first tab, I would like an inventory to show items I gather by venturing and killing monsters. Now it's going to code it. Now it's still compiling the code. Right? It'll come up here and say when it's done. But tell me this isn't the neatest thing you've ever seen. Look at this game. Game log. Alright, so we're going to go and we're going to do this again. And we're just going to create the character. Game log, inventory. Okay? I would like the tabs on the right side. Alright, so what I just did is I'm trying to get the tabs on the right side of the adventure log, which is, you know, this area right here. I would also like my character to have stats, like Dungeons and Dragons, you know, strength, intelligence, charisma, etc. So we're going to go ahead and hit play. Now, it is keeping all of this stuff on the back end, so we can utilize these statistics for something later on. Alright? So, again, it is compiling the code. And once it's done compiling, we'll be able to go back over into the preview mode. I'm telling you, this is awesome. I played with this for about 2 hours the other day. Alright, we're going to hit fix error. Something went wrong. There was a problem with running your code. Look, the type error was happening because the game was trying to display the inventory before you created a character. I fixed this by ensuring the character object exists before the game attempts to update the inventory display. This is... I'm telling you, man. When it tries to run the preview, if there's an issue, it'll tell you. You fix it, it goes back. It is absolutely awesome. So look, this is what we have now. Gurky, create character.
I'm here to check my tablet.
All right, baby. Sorry, that's my daughter. So look, we have the attributes, game log, inventory. We're gonna try to mess with this again. Put the inventory tab on the far right side of the game. I also want a tab for equipment, skills, professions, and crafting. Now, when you get super advanced and involved in this, you can actually have it create a database system for you and export it. That's a lot of other things going on here, but I'm just showing you the basics of what we're going to do. So we're going to get in here and we're going to go fight a monster, and we're going to spice it up a little bit. There we go. Let's start to look a little bit better now. So Gurky. Create character. So equipment, skills, professions, crafting, inventory. You've not chosen profession yet. You have no crafting recipes. Alright. Alright, now we're gonna change the font size of the tabs. And we're gonna try to make it a little bit smaller so you can see everything. Come on. Again, this is all basic stuff. I had it before to where you had a character screen that showed each. See? Oh, this is. And it's recompiling the code. That's why I have to create my character the entire time. Welcome, Gurky the Novice. Your adventure begins now. We're going to try this one more time just to see if we can get it done. Again, we've done no coding here whatsoever. This is all basic stuff, and then I'm gonna make another video. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. Great character. We're gonna go on an adventure. Oh, look. We found a wooden shield. And a rusty sword. Minor mana potion. That is absolutely awesome. So listen, this is where we're going to end this video. But I'm going to show you in later videos on how to actually have interactive items that you can interact with, equip them, etc., etc. I'm telling you, man, this is absolutely awesome. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.